All right, round two. I checked. What did I check? I checked the AQI. It looked good. No ash, hopefully. Shout outs again to the firefighters that fight these California fires. You real ones. Feels good. Let's see if it's actually my mask that's screwing me up. Also, let's see if the sock works. It's super headwindy. Woo! I do want to ride with no brakes, but I still can't skid yet, man. I don't know if it's because of my gearing or my legs are weak, but every time I try to lock it up, I can't. It sucks. But also, I don't have the money to keep replacing tires, so I guess it's a blessing in disguise. Damn, boy. So I don't know. I think it is my mask. Since this one has a metal thing on the top, it's actually forcing me to breathe through the mask. Unlike the other ones that I have that are like plastic, so they bend, but they don't seal the top part of my face. I mean, I guess that's good. I'm also like reading online, and I'm wondering if I really do need a mask while riding. I mean, when I stop, I'll definitely wear one, but while riding, I mean, I'm not going that fast that the person in front of me's breath is flying through my face, right? Like, that's like, you know, road bike kind of speed. But then again, I don't know how the wind works, so maybe it does. And I still need a mask while I ride. Plenty of people not wearing masks though. It's a shame. But I'm not surprised. Don't nobody care about anybody else. Whew. Man, it feels good. I am kind of feeling my legs already, because the last time I tried going here, I was sprinting back there, quite a ways back, and then I guess I hyperventilated because my mask was blocking most of the air, or I was breathing through the filter, so I got almost lightheaded. So I stopped and just turned around and went home. Yeah. Also, I'm thinking of changing my cog size. I'm running a 4616 right now. Man, that thing heavy. Gotta get my legs up first. But I'm wondering, like, if I go to 7, it's not too bad actually. Oh man, there's a bunch of birds screaming over there. But yeah, it's not too bad. I wonder if getting a 17 will change a lot. Just one teeth difference. Or if I go 19. But 19 is a huge jump, right? 4619 compared to 4617 from a 4616. I don't know. You a oh.
What's going on?
What up, dog? Nah, everyone's going to the beach, man. You wanna just go back to the beach?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay, let's go back, dude. Turn around. This place kind of sucks. It's kind of boring. So, instead of going north, we're gonna go south. We're gonna go to the beach, Seal Beach, and yeah, just see where we get, what we do there. Probably just chill out. Bathroom. What's up that way? I really need to buy some cycling shorts. I was looking into the Ultimate Adventure bibs by the Black Bib. They were kind of cool. You know, $80. Not bad, I think. It has pockets. Sick. Boy, that hell went killer, bro. Feels like I'm riding through friggin' glue. Ah. You. Oh, close. Left side, left side. Huh, seems like the water is kind of high today. Seems. I'm acting like I know how high it is, but it seems like it. Oh yeah, the water is really high. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna walk it. Yeah. Oh no, I gotta walk up this too. No. Let's go. So I was right. Water was high. Lol. Oh yeah. When my camera died, I came from that way to here. So where are we? We're like right there, and we came from this way. So that's what?
Where are we gonna stop at?
Where we met, probably?
I think.
Or is it better
Before
to before that?
Yeah, it's right.
Oh yeah, that little bridge.
Colorado.
Yeah. There's a little bridge that we can cross there.
Yeah, it's right. Did you see the Walmart right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. That exit.
Oh yeah, right. True. Yeah, that is our exit. All right. Huh? For sure. You see how you feel no air already?
Yeah.
That's because it's all behind you, bro. It's pushing you.
It feels so.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, I can rest. Thank God. My gooch. Good Lord. All right. On your left. Thank you. Hey. All right, man. Peace out. See you next week. Yo, you too. No! Damn it! Ah! let's just see how far I went and how long it took. The weird thing is my storage for my water actually, well, right there. Can you see that? 33.6 miles, 2 hours and 25 minutes. Yeah, sick. All right, dope. Peace.